In a little green meadow, there lived a small, soft, and friendly mouse named Miek. Every day, Miek would scamper around, exploring the meadow, chasing butterflies, and making new friends. One sunny morning, Miek noticed something unusual. A tiny, sparkling stone was glistening among the blades of grass. Curiosity piqued, Miek scurried towards it. Upon closer inspection, he found it was a magical stone. With a twinkle in his eyes, Miek held the magical stone tight. The meadow seemed to come alive as the flowers bloomed more vibrantly, and the sun shone brighter. Miek felt a warm, fuzzy feeling all over. As the day went by, Miek shared his discovery with his friends. They played games in the flower garden, their laughter echoing through the meadow. The magical stone brought joy and happiness to everyone who came across it. One by one, the sun began to set, painting the sky with hues of pink and orange. Miek and his friends gathered around, watching the beautiful spectacle. As the last rays of sun disappeared, the magical stone began to glow. The glow grew brighter and brighter, and then, suddenly, the magical stone transformed into a tiny, glowing lantern. Miek wrapped it carefully in a handkerchief and took it back home. That night, Miek sat under the stars, the glowing lantern by his side. He felt a sense of peace and contentment, knowing that he had brought joy to his friends. As he closed his eyes, he whispered a heartfelt thank you to the magical stone. From that day on, Miek the mouse and his friends had many more adventures in the magical meadow. And every night, as he drifted off to sleep, Miek would be reminded of the magical lantern, lighting up his dreamy world.